While blockchain continues to generate widespread enthusiasm among public bodies, enterprises and organizations, more mainstream industries are choosing to adopt this new age and disruptive technology. Take a look at our special report to understand what exactly blockchain technology is.
While blockchain continues to generate widespread enthusiasm among public bodies, enterprises and organizations, more mainstream industries are choosing to adopt this new age and disruptive technology. This had led to fresh initiatives for blockchain app development across all sectors, including public banks, governments and private companies. It is safe to say that blockchain has caught the world's attention, including India's, who is now trying to find opportunities to use this technology within its fast-growing economy. Bengaluru has come up with the Center for Excellence in Blockchain Technology. This technology helps in enhancing transparency and trust in the e-governance system by allowing all stakeholders benefit from shared learning, experiences and resources. Set up by the National Informatics Center, the Center for Excellence would help to bring a revolutionary change in the lives of people by delivering e-governance services effectively through the data-centric model. Speaking after inaugurating the Center for Excellence through video conference from New Delhi last week, Union Information Technology Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad said the country is witnessing digital transformation as most of the state governments are adopting technologies widely in their governance. He said around 16,000 courts have been transformed as e-courts in India, and technologies related to direct benefit transfer and e-scholarship developed by NIC have been widely accepted by people as they are user-friendly. Blockchain is expected to be a futuristic solution for many industries. It is also believed to be a huge movement in the world's currency and transaction activity. But before that, let us first know what exactly is blockchain technology. Well, as the name suggests, blockchain is a series of blocks that help in processing transaction and storing digital data. Often referred to as distributed ledger, data on a blockchain is made accessible to few people and everyone involved as a copy of the same. Every single transaction that has taken place in the ledger will be recorded by each user of the blockchain. Hence, every user has to update their transaction details to stay in sync. To be more certain, a block consists of digital information that is saved in a chain, which is the public database.
Blockchain is not a programming language, but a whole new technology like internet. It is a breakthrough in computer science, which replaces human trust with a mathematical proof. Now, blockchain is a digital ledger of economic transactions that can be programmed to store and record any transaction, whether it is financial or non-financial. Basically, anything which has value can be recorded using blockchain technology.
India has the potential to become a leader in blockchain technology as new opportunities are opening as more research and collaboration moves into the country.
A good example of how the government is using blockchain technology in India is Uttar Pradesh government, where they have implemented blockchain technology in electricity trading by using the distributed ledger technology or blockchain technology. Apart from that, there are other states who are working on blockchain records, making the property and real estate records tamper-proof, which will save a lot of civil and court cases going forward.
Back in 2018, Reserve Bank of India set up a unit of individuals to research and supervise new technologies around blockchain app development. Even Niti Aayog hosted an international blockchain congress in 2018 alongside the state governments of Telangana and Goa, bringing in ideas about blockchain adoption to India.